Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, March 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am okay. I am a little tired this morning.
Me too. I need a coffee, a big coffee.
Yes, coffee is very important today. Is the machine working?
I think so. The light is green.
Great. I need my caffeine. Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 3 meetings. It is a busy day. What about you?
I have 2 calls with clients. I have to write a report.
That sounds boring.
It is very boring, but it is my job.
True. So, did you read the news this week?
Yes, I did. I saw something interesting in the Wall Street Journal.
Which article? The one from February 24?
Yes. It was about the global nomad tax agreement.
Ah, yes. I read that too. It is big news.
It is crazy. The G7 nations signed it.
They want to standardize taxes for remote workers.
Exactly. If you work in another country, you must pay.
The article says it is a 15% tax.
Yes, 15%. That is a lot of money.
Well, it is fair. Digital nomads use the roads and hospitals.
I know, but I like saving money.
We all like saving money, David.
The article says it starts in 2027.
So, we have 1 year to prepare?
I am not a digital nomad. I work here.
Me too, so we are safe.
But my brother travels and works. He will be angry.
He has to pay his taxes. It is the law.
I know, but 15% is high.
It prevents tax evasion. It is good for the economy.
You always think about the economy, Alex.
I am a project manager. I like rules.
I am a sales representative. I like freedom.
That is why we are a good team.
Maybe, did you see the other news about schools?
The story on CNN?
Yes, the one from February 26.
About the Screenless Schools initiative?
Yes, that one. It is very futuristic.
It is interesting. A tech firm is launching it.
They want to replace tablets with our glasses.
Yes, augmented reality glasses for kids.
The article says 500 districts will start this.
500 districts is a large number.
Imagine the kids wearing glasses in class.
No more screens on the desks.
I think it is cool, like a movie.
I am not sure. Is it good for their eyes?
The article says it is safe. Technology is better now.
But glasses can break easily.
Kids break everything. They break tablets too.
That is true. But are the glasses expensive?
The news says the company pays for the first year.
And after that, the schools must pay.
Maybe, but think about the learning.
What do you mean?
They can see history in 3D. Dinosaurs in the room.
Okay, that does sound fun.
I want our glasses for my work.
For sales, why?
To see the client's face better, to see data.
You can use your computer, David.
But glasses are more modern. I love gadgets.
I know you do. But schools are different.
Why are they different?
Kids need to write. They need to read books.
They can read virtual books in the glasses.
It feels strange. I like paper books.
You are old-fashioned, Alex.
Maybe I am. I like simple things.
Technology moves very fast. We must adapt.
Yes, but is it always better?
Usually, yes. Look at our coffee machine.
It is a good machine, but it is slow.
It is making my coffee now, finally.
Good, my turn is next.
Oh, did you see the news about New York?
The New York Times article?
Yes, from February 25.
About the Manhattan congestion zone?
Yes, they are banning private cars.
Below 60th Street? I saw that.
It starts on May 1. That is very soon.
It is a big change for the city.
I cannot believe it. No cars?
No private cars. Taxis and buses are okay.
But imagine you have a car. You cannot go home.
You can take the subway or walk.
Walk in New York, it is too big.
It is good for the environment, David.
I know, less pollution is good.
And less noise. New York is very loud.
But I love driving. I love my car.
You do not live in Manhattan.
I know, but if I visit, I cannot drive.
You can park outside and take a train.
That is not convenient. I am a busy man.
The article says traffic is terrible there.
It is true, traffic is very bad.
So this solves the problem.
But what about the shops and deliveries?
Delivery trucks are allowed at night.
Only at night. That is difficult.
They have a plan. It is organized.
I think people will be angry.
Some people are always angry.
The article says protests are happening.
Change is hard. People do not like change.
I agree. I like my routine.
Like your morning coffee?
Exactly. Don't touch my coffee routine.
The band starts May 1. We will see what happens.
Maybe it will fail. Maybe they will stop it.
Or maybe other cities will do it too.
Imagine no cars here, in our city.
That would be nice. It would be quiet.
But how do I get to work?
You can ride a bicycle.
A bicycle? Me in a suit?
Why not? It is healthy.
I will sweat. Clients do not like sweat.
Then bring a change of clothes.
Too much work? I prefer my car.
You are lazy, David.
I am efficient, not lazy.
Okay, Mr. Efficient. Is your coffee ready?
Yes, it is ready. It smells good.
My turn. I need energy.
Do you have a big project today?
Yes. I have to plan the budget for Q2.
Numbers and money, fun.
I like it. It is like a puzzle.
You're strange, Alex.
And you are funny, David.
I try my best. Hey, are you free for lunch?
Maybe what time?
Around 12:30. We can go to the sandwich place.
The one around the corner?
Yes, they have good chicken sandwiches.
Okay, 12:30 is good for me.
Great. We can talk more about the news.
Or we can talk about work.
No, work is boring. Let's talk about our glasses.
Fine. You can tell me why you want them.
I will convince you. You will see.
I doubt it, but I will listen.
Perfect. My coffee is hot.
Mine is almost done.
The office is quiet today.
It is still early. People are arriving.
I see the boss coming.
Where?
Over there by the door.
Oh yes, she looks serious.
She always looks serious.
We should go to our desks.
Yes, we must look busy.
I am busy, David.
I know. Project manager life.
Sales life is easy, right?
No, it is very hard. I talk all day.
Talking is easy for you.
That is true. It is my talent.
Okay, I have my coffee now.
Let's go. Time to make money.
Time to manage projects.
See you at 12:30, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good morning.
You too. Don't work too hard.
I will try. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.